everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and I have got an unboxing today. Now this comes from, and I hope I don't butcher this, but this comes from Art De Nicole, and I have never purchased from her before. And whoops, I just dropped my box cutter. I have another one somewhere. Yes. Okay. So I've never ordered from this company before. As you know, I have one tray that I love and I am constantly using, but I wanted to test out these trays because I know everybody uses them. I've heard a lot of good things about them, and so I wanted a couple for myself. So I went on her site, and a lot of them are sold out. They sell out real quick, but there was a couple that was still on there that wasn't sold out yet, so I just grabbed a couple of them. I mean, I don't care what color or whatnot. So I ordered these on the 19th and I got them today. So I also ordered a grinder. Now, I have one that I got from a tobacco store, but I don't think they work very well because they're not made for drills, they're made for other things. So, I went ahead and I ordered one of those because I have had some drills that I have in a canvas for Diamond Art Club that were stuck together, so I wanted to try and use these to see, you know, how well it broke them up. Now I did get the pink. There's black, pink, a blue, I think there was a red. Anyway, there's several colors to choose from on the grinders. But I chose the pink because the other ones to me seemed like they were going to be too dark to see the drills in. So I went ahead and just went with pink. So I'm excited to try that. So she sent me a butterfly sticker, which will go on my table. But these are the two drills that I purchased, or trays that I purchased because, like I said, she sells out real quick. And these were the only ones that she had on her site that, that were still available. So it comes with the lid and a stopper, so that's pretty cool. And these are exactly the same. The big tray was unavailable, so only thing there was the large trays. So let's try this out. Put the stopper back in. Alright. I might have put too many in there. But these are some drills from Diamond Art Club. And as you can see, they line up pretty good. Yeah. So that's good. Alright. And then plus with it having the lids, they just slide right on back on there, I do believe. I know that there is a certain way to do this, and I have watched people when they do their unboxings, they have an issue trying to put these lids on for the first time, and I can see why. Alright, Okay, yeah. So now with the lid on and a stopper, they won't spill out. So that's pretty cool. So let's see how they are about pouring them back in. Now I'm just using, I got this kind of storage kit that I'm using for the first time, and I actually kind of like it. And I'm big on my Harbor Freights, so, but I do kind of like these. And that pours out really well. Of course, before I actually start using these, I'll get a, a dryer sheet. I'll get a dryer sheet and take the dryer sheet and rub it all over the tray. That way it will, you know, help with the static. Alright, and we will just put that stopper back in there. And let's try the other tray. I really like how they just, the lids just slide. Alright. So yeah, I mean, they just fall right into place there. So yeah, I think it's a pretty good tray. So I think I might actually try to purchase some more once she has some more up on her website, because like I said, I think she does a drop like so many times a week. Yeah, I'll have to get a dryer sheet and rub it on here. But I think she does a drop so many times a week, maybe once a week. And like I said, there was really nothing on her site. So this was really all I had to choose from, and I wanted to try them because I was getting this. What it was is, like I said, I'm doing a kit right now that has got some drills that are stuck together, and I wish I had thought before I started doing this video to grab them. But so I knew she had these for sale on her shop. So I went over there and I got one of these, and I was like, you know what, while I'm here, I'm going to get a tray because I've been wanting to try them. So that's when I looked, and like I said, this was all that they had at the moment. So, but yeah, so this is my Art De Nicole tray and grinder. And I'll have to look in the description because there wasn't a paper in here, but I will have to look. I can't look right now because I'm on my phone, and I should have done this also before I started filming, but I was excited and I wanted to open these. But I'll put in my description box how much the trays were and how much the grinder was, because I cannot think off the top of my head how much it was. So alright, y'all, well, this was just a short little video so I could open these, so I could start using them, especially the grinder. So, alright, y'all, until my next video. Oh, I will put in my description box a link to her site, and she's also got an Instagram, and I don't know if she has a Facebook or not, but I know she has an Instagram because I follow her on Instagram, and that's where I went and clicked on her links and stuff. So I'll put all of that in my description box also. So yeah, if you have ever used these, bought these, let me know. If y'all have ever used one of her grinders, leave me a comment, let me know what you thought. But yeah, Alright, y'all. Until my next video, I will see everybody later. Bye, y'all.